Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. I shall explain question number 11 that has been taken from exercise 5.5, chapter 5 continuity and differentiability of NCERT 12 mathematics. The question is differentiate the function in bracket x cos x whole raised to power x plus in bracket x sin x whole raised to power 1 over x with respect to x. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implied that let the function y equal to in bracket x cos x raised to the power x plus x sin x raised to the power 1 over x. Here you can see the given function. The first term x cos x raised to power x and second term x sin x raised to power 1 over x. So here x is variable, here x is variable. Here in second term also x is variable, here x is variable. So variable raised to power variable, variable raised to power variable. If the variable raised to power variable is there, the variable raised to power variable is there, then in this case function will be let as y equal to x dot cos x whole to power x plus x dot sin x whole to power 1 over x, and each term, first term and second term, will be let as separate variable. First term will be let as u and second term will be let as v, and by using the logarithmic method we shall simplify both terms and thereafter we shall differentiate each term separately with respect to x. So here I shall write also let x dot cos x raised to power x equal to u and x dot sin x raised to power 1 over x equal to v. Imply that y equal to u plus v we shall get. Again I shall write dwrt x comma imply that dy over dx equal to du over dx plus dv over dx we shall get. Then the function will be y equal to u plus v. Differentiating y with respect to x, we shall get dy over dx equal to du over dx plus dv over dx. Here again I shall write now by taking the first term x cos x power x equal to u. So here I shall write now u equal to x dot cos x whole raised to power x. Again here I shall write on taking log in both sides, we shall get d over dx of u equal to d over. Now on taking log in both sides, it comes out to be log u equal to log x dot cos x whole raised to power x, implies that log u equal to x dot log x cos x, we shall get. Because formula is there, log m raised to power n equal to n dot log m. On the basis of formula log m raised to power n equal to n dot log m, we shall get log s cos x raised to power x written as x dot log x cos x. Here I shall write dwrt x. dwrt x means differentiating this function with respect to x. We shall get implied that d over dx of log u equal to d over dx of x dot log x cos x. Implied that here you can see in center function u is available and denominator x is available. U and x are different. That's why d will be conjugated with u. You will get here du over dx will be multiplied. And in place of u, if you put here x, it will become log x. D over dx of log x comes out to be 1 over x. In place of x, I shall write u. So here it will be written u. Dot du over dx I shall write equal to, here you can see x dot log in bracket x cos x. This is a mixed function, consists of two functions. X is first function and log x cos x is second function. First function and second function are multiplied together. So here I shall use the product rule. Product rule. So here I shall write first function as it is dot d over dx of second function plus second function log x cos x dot d over dx of first function. Here I shall write implied that 1 over u equal to du over dx equal to, here first function will be written as it is and d over dx of log x cos x. In this case I shall use chain rule. X cos x will be treated as one unit as x, d over dx of log x comes out to be 1 over x. In place of x, I shall write x dot cos x. So here it comes out to be 1 over x cos x dot d over dx of x dot cos x plus log x cos x, and here d over dx of x will get here 1. Here I shall write 1 over u du over dx is equal to, here you can see x is there in numerator and here this x is there in denominator. This x will be cancelled out. So here you will get 1 over cos x dot d over dx of x cos x. X cos x consists of two functions. First function is x, second function is cos x. So here d over dx of x cos x, I shall use product rule. First function will be x and second function will be cos x. So by using product rule, we shall get first function as it is dot d over dx of second function cos x plus second function cos x dot d over dx of first function x curly bracket close plus log x dot cos x. Now again I shall write 1 over u du over dx equal to 1 over cos x dot open here curly bracket and here you will get x multiplied to d over dx of cos x comes out to be minus sin x plus here you will get cos x only. D over dx of x comes out to be 1 dot 1 curly bracket close plus log x cos x. This thing you will get. Now again I shall write 1 over u du over dx equal to, here 1 over cos x will get enter inside, curly bracket will be broken. So you will get here x dot minus sin x, the minus will be put here, minus x dot minus x dot sin x over cos x comes out to be tan x plus cos x will multiply to 1 over cos x. Here you will get to 1 curly bracket close plus log x cos x, you will get this one And now again I shall write du over dx equal to u. Now here I shall open dot curly bracket minus x dot tan x plus 1. This thing will say I shall get plus log x dot cos x. This thing you will get curly bracket close minus x dot tan x plus 1. Remove curly bracket from here. So this term will be added to this term. We will get this one. Now I shall put the value du over dx. I shall put the value of u. The value of u I have got here x cos x raised to power x dot open here curly bracket, open here curly bracket minus x dot tan x plus 1 plus log x cos x. This thing you have got du over dx is equal to x cos x raised to power x dot open here curly bracket minus x dot tan x plus 1 plus log x cos x curly bracket close. This thing you have got. Now again I shall take the second term. The second term I shall take. Second term. Now here I shall write second term x sin x raised to power 1 over x equal to v. So here I shall write on taking log in both sides, we shall get log x sin x raised to power 1 over x equal to log v. So here I shall write log v equal to 1 over x dot log x sin x. This thing we have got. Because log m raised to power n comes out to be n dot log m. On basis of this formula, we shall get 1 over x dot log x sin x. Here I shall write dwrt x means differentiating with respect to x. Here we shall get d over dx of log v equal to d over dx of 1 over x dot log x sin x bracket close curly bracket close. Implied that Here you can see d over dx of log v. In center function, v is there and in denominator, x is available. V and x are different. That's why d will be conjugated with v. dv over dx will get multiplied here. In place of v, if you put here x, it will become d over dx of log x. You will get here 1 over x. In place of x, I shall write here v. So 1 over v dot dv over dx equal to, here you can see 1 over x dot log x sin x. Two functions are available. First function is 1 over x, second function is log x sin x. The first function and second function are multiplied together. So here I shall use product rule. By using the product rule, here I shall write 1 over x dot d over dx of log x sin x plus log x sin x dot d over dx of x I shall write. Of d over dx of 1 over x. 1 over x I shall write. Because first term here is 1 over x. It comes out to be 1 over v dot dv over dx equal to 1 over x dot d over dx of log x sin x. Here I shall use chain rule. X dot sin x will be treated as 1 unit as x. D over dx of log x comes out to be 1 over x. In place of x, I shall write x dot sin x. So here write x sin x dot d over dx of intrinsic function x sin x plus log x sin x dot, here you will get d over dx of 1 over x. We shall get here minus 1 over x square. This thing we shall get. Again I shall write 1 over v equal to dv over dx 1 over v dot dv over dx equal to, here we shall get 1 over x square sin x. 1 over x will multiply to x, comes out to be x square dot sin x. And d over dx of x sin x comes out to be d over dx of x sin x consists of two functions. First function be x, second function be sin x. First function and second function are multiplied together. So here I shall use product rule. Product rule I shall use. So you will get here x dot d over dx of sine x plus sine x we shall get, and d over dx of x we shall get here 1 curly bracket close plus here minus 1 will multiply to plus 1, here will get here minus, and here I shall write log x sine x whole over x square I shall write. This is sine x. Sine x I have written. Sine x. Now again I shall write implied that 1 over v dot dv over dx equal to 1 over x square sine x open here curly bracket x dot d over dx of sine x comes out to be cos x plus sine x I shall write curly bracket close minus log x sine x whole over x square. Now again I shall write implied that 1 over v dot dv over dx equal to here 1 over x square dot sine x will get enter inside, curly bracket will be broken. The first term will become x is there in numerator and x square is there in denominator. The x square will get cancelled here, will get here only in denominator x, and cos x over sin x will get here cot x. So here I shall write cot x over x. Here I shall write, and sin x will get multiply to 1 over x square dot sin x. Sin x will get cancelled and will get here plus 1 over x square. So here write 1 over x square minus log x sin x over x square we shall get. Now again I shall write implied that 1 over v dot dv over dx. Now take LCM. LCM I shall take x square. Now by taking LCM as a x square, here x is there in denominator. The denominator x will multiply by x. The numerator cot x will also multiply by x. Here it will become x dot cot x plus 1 minus log x sin x we shall get. Now again I shall write implied that dv over dx we shall get this v is divided, this left hand side is divided by v. The v will be thrown back to right hand side. The v will get multiplied to right hand side. It comes out to be v. In place of v, I shall write this term x sin x raised to the power 1 over x. So here write x sin x raised to the power 1 over x dot x cot x plus 1 minus log x sin x whole over x square we shall get. And here this thing you will get x sin x raised to the power 1 over x will multiply to this term. Now on compiling, now I shall compile the both thing here. So here I shall write result dy over dx equal to, from here we shall get dy over dx. dy over dx, dy over dx, I have written dy over dx equal to du over dx plus dv over dx. So here I shall write implied that dy over dx equal to dy over dx equal to du over dx. I shall take and write the value of du over dx. So du over dx I shall take the value from this place. So here write x cos x raised to the power x dot open here curly bracket minus x dot tan x plus 1 plus log x cos x curly bracket close plus x sin x raised to the power 1 over x dot x cot x plus 1 minus log x sin x whole upon x square. I shall write. So this will be correct answer you have got. The correct answer will be dy over dx equal to in bracket x cos x raised to the power x dot in curly bracket minus x tan x plus 1 plus log x cos x curly bracket close plus x sin x raised to the power 1 over x dot in bracket x cot x plus 1 minus log x sin x bracket close whole upon x square. This will be correct answer we have got. Now I shall check the answer from the key point here. Just wait for a while. This is one of the important question we have got here. So here key point x cos x raised to the power x dot minus x dot tan x plus 1 plus log x cos x bracket close plus x sin x raised to the power 1 over x dot x cot x plus 1 minus log x sin x whole over x square we shall get. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 11 exercise 5.5 chapter 5 continuity and differentiability. This is one of the important question I have explained and discussed here. Okay guys, thanks.